Umurai omochoro gatano wense ya Kenya Dr. William Samoei Ruto nigo barure birengerere byabo kubatkana n'ikine gikebekire aseke gambero gyo kwamereria amachibu yobochori asekero gekenene gosasekero kyobura yobonene wense korengana negati abawakiri abo nigo batere na ogochoro akwaye Ruto nigo kwarenke okobwasyo kuna boigo ekene askere abamochirie baria bakwamereria na hotayona nigo barengete goturubania richikorie katiba yense ya Kenya muri kyo Vincent Onyanja norobate orwa central yowime
Haseri tukolya kabere kigambero gya Supreme nigo gyategerere kina kebwaterene tyo kwamerere kwa machibu y'obochori obonene nigo lyarengeri tukolye kyombe kya IBC nabo William Ruto elikwegerera bosyo obwe kigambero omwegererio ye William Ruto muwakiri Fred Ngatia nigamereria nsemo y'obosoeri buna form 34A nigo kyabwekaine na kiri kyegetase National Tallying Center mu Nairobi asensemeria ya Bomasa asabagania bamereria koretana ne form ye moyoka onye nchi abwekaine.
If that is true, from a point of logic, show us one form 34A in the public portal, because that is where ultimately it landed, which differs with the hard copy at the polling station. Show us only one. Or show us a ballot box that people from outer space came and voted into, stuffed into it, and then all this hijacking in midair took place. There's no such evidence. And why there's no such evidence is because that is the work of fiction. Work of fiction, not just conspiracy, but work of fiction.
Abdulkadir Mohamed yoro mwegereri bweke mbeki obochori nechimbe IBC niga mwegerero munyakero bweke mbeki wa Flache Bukati nagote yabuna machibu abete gakoraria na ria nyorte kurwa CHINSA mochonsi asichukura chiabete chiwakwa asebo igawa mochaba commissioner balibe Rusia kurwa sekembeki obochori nechimbe na maiga yogote yabuna aba commissioner abuni go bakorete mesangere kano minchaneli chiko asate beruna lichiko ni golia rekoera bakoro musangere kano limwa somutienyi asikonda Commissioner abu babete bagokoretara yabo gocha sama sakare chukura bete gakorose gwago etania entunde yemo.
The commission practically will need to rely on its officers across the country in the 46,000 plus polling stations for the work of the commission, including presiding officers verifying and transmitting. We are not stating the truth as such, because the law requires for the commission to hold a minimum of 1 meeting per month. More were held during the elections. They attended all those meetings under the affidavits. The vice chair and Mr. Wanderi attended the trip you are told about in Greece, where they went to check on the presidential ballots.
Konengana no mweger erkigumbo ni gobo igachanire nsemo yazmio aso ikaseke gambero na kurwa chifomu chiboli mona gote yabuna nchibwekaini.
In the affidavit of one John Mark Gidongo, they make reference to a form 34A from Baringo County, Tiaty constituency. If somebody asked you whether that form was authentic, you only need to look at the public portal. You then need to verify it with the form 34A that was presented. We have a copy. The entire public has copies of each and every of those documents. Our team went through those documents, and in relation to that specific form 34A, to say the least, it's a forgery.
Naki richiko ligoteba ekigambero bono gise gotugutira robo chori bu mwakoyo nigaba Kenya baraira na sete bense ya motoke 50 nerimo eligochora omurai bwense noenda bo ni gogo ikastali kisano mutinyo gatora chikoganya elitoigwe na kigambero kira ruko na chokwabo igoro yo kwamereria wekineke ko reporter ya Ndizi TV elitena nchenkoro kwa Vincent Onyanja.